My son Dimitri Alfonso is not to. Let's listen po, the retired man. Because now we went to IMM Mall, we had a dinner, and then before dinner, I buy some food. Today, I'm lucky, folks, okay? So, tomorrow I can claim some money. Yes, some unlimited money. Not so much lah. Yes, only 3K only. $6. Mm, only 3K, only $6. Oh, how come I cover? Then can? Mm, okay. Just now I cover the camera and then still can carry on. What the hell is that? Okay. Yes, I strike some amount of money. I strike some amount of money, okay? Mm, 3K $6. Tomorrow I can go and get, okay? This is little groceries at home. Blackboard, the World Cup of Singapore. Mm, this one is we have listen to pay, okay, $30 something on this. Some eggs and bread and pastries. We have some cake, chocolate cake, and fruits, okay, and a sausage. Any sausage, okay. Enjoy, folks. Atong Blackford, the World Cup of Singapore. Latest little groceries, okay? Enjoy, Singapore. Just listen po, the retired man. Okay? My son, let me enjoy for since na to. August 15, 2026. Enjoy, Singapore. August 15, 2026. Enjoy, Singapore. Our latest little groceries. Enjoy. August 15, 2026.